In number 16, it says find the volume of the following three-dimensional figures. Looks like we have a triangular prism, a cylinder, and a rectangular prism, or actually a cube, since this one says all edges are congruent. It says always write down your formulas and include the correct units with your answers. The formula for all three of these will be volume equals big B, area of the base times the height. And they've given us the area of the base in all the cases. We don't have to calculate it for this problem. They've given us big B, so we can just put that right into our formula. 24 times, the height is the distance between the bases. So the height of this triangular prism is 13, so 24 times 13. 4 times 3 is 12, carry the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. We're multiplying by this 1, we're really multiplying by 10, so start with a 0. 4 times 1 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. So the volume of this triangular prism is 312. Units would be centimeters cubed, because we're talking about volume, three-dimensional. Okay, for this cylinder, volume would equal, the area of the base is 20.5, and the height, the distance between the circular bases is 10. Multiplying by 10, we can just move this decimal one place to the right, so 205 centimeters cubed. This last one's a little bit trickier. It says it didn't give us the height, we don't know the height, but it says all edges are congruent. So if all edges are congruent, that means this base is a square. So this square has an area of 25. You can find the side length by taking the area, the square root of the area. The square root of 25 means what number times itself will give me 25, and that's 5. 5 by 5, so all edges are 5 centimeters. So volume equals area of the base is 25 times the height is 5, distance between the square bases, and 25 times 25 is 125 centimeters cubed. Okay, last problem, 17. What is the volume of the following figures? Sketch a quick diagram if needed. Use your star chart, show your work, and include units in your answer. It's pretty easy to fill in this formula line, because as we've been saying over and over again, volume equals big B times H for all prisms and all cylinders. And let's sketch the base shape of each of these. This rectangle is 8 by 4. So the formula for area of that rectangle would be base times height. 8 times 4, 32. And then volume would be that area of the base times the height, or 32 times the height of that prism is 12. 32 times 12. So 384. Be careful with our units. They're all centimeters, so centimeters cubed. The triangular prism area that, well, let's sketch it. Well, actually we don't need to, because it tells us the area of the base in this case, 15 centimeters squared. So B equals 15 times the height of that prism is 9, the distance between the triangular bases. (135 centimeters cubed). For this circle, the radius is 5. Area of the base, pi r squared. 3.14 times 5 squared. 3.14 times 25. I'm going to use a calculator real fast because I'm running out of time here. 78.5. So the area of the circle is 78.5 inches squared, and then you would multiply that times the height. And do that last step on your own, and you should get 620 inches cubed.